8, welcome to this video. Task 12K. We are about to end chapter 12, inshallah. This is the last task in this chapter, and we will try to create an image advertisement, a company called Winter Wonderland. We're gonna use the previous image in the previous tasks, which we already did. It's named trees number 1. I already have it and I already opened it with GIMP. So all what you have to do is just right click on the image and then go open with and then choose GIMP. Okay, I already did it. Just for saving time, I already added to the GIMP. So just right click on it and then add it. In chapter 12, we have the source file, and now we need to insert like 3 pictures. Ribbon, you can drag them one by one. I insert the ribbon, and also I have to insert the winter text number 1 and text number 2. I can use control from my keyboard to select more than one thing. Always press and hold control to select more than one image. So I select both and then I do drag and drop. I add them to GIMP. Now I got 3 pictures. Text number 1, text number 2, and the ribbon. As I can see over here in the layers, I have like 3 layers. Ribbon, text number 1, and text number 2. If you cannot see them, you may go to Windows and then dockable dialog, and then you will find the layers over here, or Control L from like a keyboard shortcut. So I already have them over here. What I want to do is I want to change the text size for the winter and Wonderland. Text number 1 and text number 2. So let me go to get text number 1, right click on it, and then go to scale layers. When you scale layers, help you to resize it. Okay, so I need to change the widest and the highest of the picture. I want to make it bigger, like advertisement. So for the widest, let me pick 2300. Okay, and for the highest, by the way, it connected automatically. So automatically, he gonna do it for me. He changed the highest automatically for me. He suggested for me that the widest 2300 and the highest is 836. So it's done automatically. All what I have to do is just to click scale. And now I got a big size for the word winter, which is text number 1. The same step, go to text number 2, right click on it, and then go to scale layers. By the way, if you want to bring the same scale layers, you may go to the tools. Okay, no, layers over here. And you find the option over here, scale layers. So I may go to layer tab and then scale layers, or you can just do right click. So okay, I do right click, scale layers, and then I do the same step, change the widest 2300, and then this is connected automatically. He suggested for me the highest 836, and then I have to click scale. Now I got too big size. I can move it to the top. I want the text winter. Remember to select the layers because you work with more than one. I add it to the top of the picture, so I'm gonna do it like advertisement. Okay, so what is next? I want to make them like a group, text number 1 and text number 2. All what I have to do is just to lock it, deal with it as a group. When I click on the picture and the option beside the eye of course it just show or hide. If I click on the eye, the text will disappear. So I work with layers. I want to lock it. How can I lock it? I got many options to lock actually. I may lock pixels or I may lock position and size. I wanted to do this. Lock position and size. And the third option, lock visibility. I want to do lock position and size. So I deal with them as a group. I lock them. So I may not be able to move them. Okay, so I'm gonna be lock if, for example, in case I just touch the background of the picture, nothing gonna happen. I already locked them. Now I got the ribbon, no need to, if I want or decided to move the ribbon, go to the select bottom and then click on the ribbon and then you may put him anywhere. Okay, this position is good. Now I got a poster. Now I got exactly as the task asked me to do. He asked me create an image advertisement company. So this is done. Now I have to save my project as a save it as name it text to BNG. Okay, so I have to go to file, export as, file, export as. I have to name it what? Yes, card.jpg. Card, this is the file name, of course. Card JPEG or JPG. Of course, I have to choose the file location, and I already got chapter 12 work file. And then I have to click export. And now it's loading and it's saved. Okay. Of course, you have to check the quality. Remember, we talked about that before, and then click export. Now I got it. And also don't forget to save it as a project. Save it as a GIMP project. Go to file also and save as. So this is the difference between save as and export as. Be careful your IDs with this one. I want to save it, save the image, save it as a project. Of course, I got the work file in my desktop. Chapter 12 work file, and I want to save it as a GIMP source file. Thank you so much for watching. If you got a question, let me know in the comments.